Write down today's date. Give heading. Chapter number 16. Water for all. Class test. What happened, Janya?
मैम क्वेश्चंस भी लिखना है।
आप हर बार क्वेश्चंस लिखते हो टेस्ट में?
लिखना है।
आप हर बार लिखते हो क्या क्वेश्चन?
नो मैम।
जस्ट राइट द आंसर्स। सिर्फ आंसर लिखो। यस लवदी। हाँ तपस्या बोलो। यस निष्ठा।
मैम मैं वो आपने जो प्रोजेक्ट दिया मैम मैं उस बारे में पूछ रही थी।
हाँ। क्लिक ऑन लिंक। सेकेंड लिंक। क्लिक ऑन सेकेंड लिंक। यस तपस्या। If you don't have any doubt, then why are you raising your hand, Tapasya? हाँ, Kavya.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
And just you have joined class 2 times. Yes, Arav.
डन मैम, पूरा हो गया।
All questions. अच्छी handwriting. Show me. Wait a minute. हाँ, show me now. आरव, आपकी राइटिंग कैसे होती जा रही है? Writing good handwriting, Arav. Yes, Suhani.
I'm completed.
Show me then.
Ma'am, I'm doing it laptop.
You are doing in laptop means?
मैम मैं लैपटॉप में करी थी मैम, मैं आपको दिखाऊं कैसे?
You are writing in laptop. You have to write in your copy.
मैम इन कॉपी?
Yes. What type of question you ask? मेरे को ना ये समझ में नहीं आता है कि क्लास में पहले ही इंस्ट्रक्शन मैंने दिया है, you have to write in copy. Then what are you doing in your laptop? क्लास में टेस्ट होता है तो you write your answers in laptop.
No ma'am, I'm telling you that I'm doing in class in laptop and writing.
That's what I asked na. Show me your copy. So you can show your copy in front. You can bring your copy in front of your laptop. I'm explaining questions. Listen carefully. Question number 1. You have to answer all the questions in one word. What is question number 1A? What is main source of drinking water? Only one word answer. No need to write whole sentence. Only answer. What is main source of drinking water? What is the unit to measure liquids? Liquids को measure करने के लिए कौन सा unit use करते हैं? What is the unit to measure liquid? Substance that dissolve in water are called. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called. Just write answer in one word. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called. Next question, number 1E. Clear mixture of a solid and a liquid in water. Mixture of a solid and a liquid in water is called. Next question, number 1F. Rivers, lakes and ponds are fed by. They are fed by. Fed means किससे भरते हैं? Rivers, lakes and ponds are fed by. These are the questions, one word questions. Okay. Next question, question number 2. Answer the following questions. You have to answer the question. Question number 1A. Question number 2A. What is a solution? Give an example of a solution. It is a 2-mark question. So write according to 2 marks. What is a solution and give an example of a solution. Question number 2B. What are soluble things? Give an example of 2 things which are soluble in water. Soluble things क्या होते हैं? First of all, you have to write what are soluble things. Soluble things क्या होते हैं? After that, give an example of 2 things. 2 ऐसी चीजों का example देना है जो that are soluble in water. Question number C. Question number 2C. What are the problems faced by people? What are the problems faced by people who do not have water supply in their homes? जिनके घर में water supply नहीं है, वो किस तरह के problems face करते हैं? That you have to write. What are the problems faced by people who do not have water supply in their homes? Next question, question number 2D. What are soluble things? Give 2 examples. What are soluble things? Give 2 examples. Next question, question number 2E. Why did people set up piaus for the travelers in the past? Piaus क्यों बने गए थे travelers के लिए past में? Why did people set up piaus for the travelers in the past? Next question, question number 2F. Why is water called a universal solvent? Why is water called a universal solvent? Water को universal solvent क्यों बोलते हैं? Next question, question number 2G. Which of the following is not a part of the group? And why it is not a part? Name of few things are given. Out of this, which one is not a part of the group? And why it is not a part? You have to explain. You have to explain it in your answer. Yes, Samriddhi.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम मैं वो टाइम पे आपको कॉल.
Questions are clear to everyone? All questions are clear to everyone? Kavya, I have sent one message. Check in your chat box.
Ma'am, I have done.
Those who have done, make PDF of your test answer copy, and you have to send in class 5 WhatsApp group. Just number 2, I have given 7 questions. There are 7 questions in question number 2. After completing your test, make PDF of your answer copy and send it in my email ID. Okay. And Samriddhi, I am not going to call you. You have to call me. First you said 5:30, now you are saying all test questions are clear. After completing your test, you have to make PDF of your answer copy and you have to send it to my Gmail ID.
होगा तो बताना।
आए हुआ तो